So I'm harvesting my garlic today. A couple days ago, I came out to check and I decided to let the garlic go another couple days. Let's take a look. Hey, when should I harvest my garlic? I'm in zone 7 or zone 5 or whatever. And the fact is, your zone doesn't tell you when to harvest your garlic. It only tells you how cold it's going to get in the winter. To know when to harvest your garlic, you have to ask the plant, and the plant will give you the signs. Today I'm going to show you what I use to determine when it's time to lift the garlic. So let's take a look. One of the first things you look for is how many of the lower leaves have turned brown. Now on this one, I got 1, 2, 3. And I still have some green up top, which is great. And a lot of them are in this condition. The second thing is we want to make sure that the soil isn't too wet. This is a nice deep raised bed, so the soil drains very nicely. This is good. The soil is a little moist, but not wet. You don't want to harvest them when they're wet if you can help it. Let's lift a couple of these to see if they're ready. I'm going to pull the mulch back, and then I try to loosen them up so I'm not pulling on them too hard. Okay, these two grew together, and let's see what we got. They're nicely bulbed up. You have a nice skin around them. So I'm going to harvest these. I've already pulled them, but I could probably let these go another couple of days. So that's what I'm going to do. Now it's a few days later. This soil is still real nice. So that's great. And as you can see, there's more brown leaves on the plants, which was what I was looking for. So let's lift a few more of these now and see if we're ready to go for the whole thing. But the bulbs are even more evident, the individual bulbs. At least on this one, I don't have any rot. And so I've got one that's already fallen off, 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. I'm going to go ahead and lift it. And that's a pretty good garlic bulb. I'm pretty happy about that. So let me pull the rest of these. So I'm just tapping off the loose dirt for now. I'm not going to rinse these. I don't want to add more water to them after they've been harvested. I want them to get drying as fast as possible. I'm going to spread these out and let them dry for a few hours so I can knock off some of this extra dirt. And then they're going to go on the drying rack in the garage until all the greens are brown. And then I'll clean them up and get them ready for storage. So the lesson is simple. Let garlic tell you when it's ready to be harvested. Take a look at the leaves. If in doubt, pull a test bulb and check it. If it's ready, go ahead and harvest it. If it's not, you can put it off a couple days. If this has been helpful, please hit subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you next time in the garden.